Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are going to do a quick fuel filter replacement on the X5. This should be a quick process. I don't expect it to be too long. We're going to do an exchange with an OEM filter. This is a Hengst filter, I guess. I don't know what the name is, but this is supposed to be the OEM filter for the X5 diesel. So we're gonna take the old one out, we're gonna put the new one in. It should be quick, it should be painless, right? Not in my case. Nothing is painless in my case, but let's get to this. Let's do this quickly. Let's hopefully get this done within 10 minutes. That's what I'm hoping, but let's shoot for 30 minutes at this point because this is the first time I'm ever doing it, so let's see how it goes out. So let's do it. All right, first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to take this clip off right here. I don't know if these clips are, do I need to snap them off or break them off? There we go. Alright. We don't need that anymore. And I left the brace on because we want to make sure everything comes off. Alright, we're gonna have our catch pan right here because this might be a little bit under pressure from, and it's diesel, so be careful. I'm gonna kind of drain that off. And then here there is a clip right here. There's this clip right there, so you pull that out from back here, and then we're gonna open this. This is a 10mm socket. And diesel is just nasty to work with, guys, so I'm not wearing gloves. I'm gonna shower after this because just how nasty this fuel is. All right. Yeah, we're gonna kind of move this here. There we go. And this, I believe, We're gonna let this, actually we're gonna kind of keep this here for a second because I have to check something. So this just should come off. Again, you see, nothing works the way it's supposed to for me. Alright, so the filter should be coming off, but it's kind of giving me a little hard time. So we're gonna kind of give it a little assistant right here. Sometimes, because if they've never been replaced, they're gonna give you a little trouble. It's starting to come out. But there we go. It was just being a pain in the butt. Alright, the new one comes with a gasket like this, so we're gonna put the gasket on and we're gonna basically squeeze this back on. There's like a little groove on top, and you want to match it up with the groove that's here and kind of push it in, and pretty much that's it. That's all we have to do with this one. Also remember, when you start the car for the first time, it's gonna lag, and we're gonna take these rubber gaskets off and we're gonna put them on the new one. Basically gonna line it up like this. And I'm gonna put the second one in. We're just gonna hand tighten it for now. Don't forget the seat clamp. help if I put it in the right. So yeah, there you go. The C clamps in. Now, since this was a squeeze fit, or one of those, we're gonna put a little clamp over this, put the hose in, and we're gonna tighten this up. All right. Then we're gonna hit it with a little brake clean. $10mm socket. Hand tight, doesn't have to be too tight. Now we're gonna put the shield back over the fuel pump. And that's it. All right, guys, so that was a little bit kind of easy, but with the clamp and it was stuck in there in the housing. So, and I just did the transmission service on this, so this needs to basically pop back in here. But it's usually like a 10-minute, 15-minute job. It's not hard. It's extremely easy. I would recommend you doing it if you have over 100,000 miles on your BMW X5. It's like a $40 part. You could do it at home. You don't need any special tools. A screwdriver and pair of pliers will do it if it's not the screw clamps or whatever they are. But simple job. If you like this, if this was helpful, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and don't forget to leave your comments down below. If you have pro tips, again, for the community, leave your comments down below. Let the community know what's the proper way of doing it. The way I did it might have been the wrong way, but again, this is my first time doing it, so I'm learning as I go along. I've never done this before, but yeah, so let me know what you think. Peace out.